Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the reverse feature on TikTok. So go over to your TikTok account and tap on the plus icon at the bottom. And here I'm just going to make a short video to show you guys. So that is me just zooming in. So the next thing you want to do is tap on the check icon. And then here on the right, you can see effects. That's the third option. Tap on that. And then here, just slide to the right. And the last option is time. So we choose that. And then tap on reverse. So there you have it. Once you're done, just tap save. And your video is all set. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.